This 2012 Grand Sport, I almost said Atomic Orange, Inferno Orange. This is a 4LT car with 55,000 miles on it. Check out that interior. It is a convertible. $41,995. You do not see many of these Inferno Oranges. Check it out at Corvette Warehouse here in Dallas. Gorgeous car. And if you're looking for any other C6, they have got a bunch of them. Even a 100th Chevrolet anniversary one right up here that is freaking amazing. It's called a Carbon Flash. Some angles look black, some look gray, and some look green.